Yvonne Shire.
I'm John Perez.
And we want to thank you all for turning out to our open house at 700 South Teal.
Yes. So we remember the raffle, you guys. I don't know, it's been a while. We've been crazy stuff going on. Went to Canada.
Yeah, I did. Let's sing them on. Now back.
Right. Just other things going on. So we appreciate your patience. We're going to do a raffle for a $50 gift card for one of you lucky winners who came to the open house over at 700 South Teal Circle in Anaheim Hills. So, all right, Yvonne's going to do the honors.
Okay.
Let's see who the winner is.
And the winner is Shireen.
Shireen.
Is that right?
I'm not sure. I'm horrible at the names. But you're
That's
the winner.
The winner.
So we'll reach out to you and send you the gift card. And we just want to thank everyone for attending our open house. And if there's any real estate needs that we can take care of, we'd be honored to do so. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, and happy Thanksgiving to all of you.
Yes, happy Thanksgiving. Take care.